My role in the company is to make sure that as we go our operation, our company remains compliant legally, technically, to make sure that it serves the people and the community. Our participation in this year's Sinulog is reflected in the company's support to the initiative that's aligned with the celebration, and also giving more emphasis and strengthening our corporate social responsibility.
I'm Engineer Idelina Habanero. I am the Senior Operations Manager of Contempo Property Holdings, Incorporated.
Ako si Sabina Gelagon Plando, Documentation Junior Manager. 13 years na ko nagtrabaho sa Contempo.
Devotee ko for 20 years. Kadtong nag-take pa ko og board exam, ako yung pangayo niya nga makapasar ko. And then, he granted.
Mga 8 years na jud ko nagdevote ni Senior Santo Niño since ang akong mga anak nag-eskwela na until nga sila puro na sila professional, and then mga board passer na po sila.
Over the years, we're truly grateful and thankful to our company, Contempo Property Holdings Incorporated. Has always been very active in extending financial support, especially in times of disaster when our families are affected. Me personally, so grateful and thankful for the assistance given to me during the aftermath of Typhoon Tino. They give us financial support.
So akong panaad, mao ang masuccessful sila tanan ang akong mga anak. Hinaot unta nga buligan sa Ginoo ug hatagan og maayong panglawas. Hinaot nga safe among pamilya ug mahilayo sa tanang kadautan. I also pray nga kaming mga kauban sa buhat magkahiusa aron mahinayon ang maayong paagi sa tanang plano sa kumpanya.
Kaming mga kauban sa buhat ngayong biyado sa Contempo, magkasinabot sa bug makayusa aron mahinayon sa maayong pamaagi ang tanang plano sa kumpanya. Viva Kid Senior Santo Niño.
Building on our commitment to corporate social responsibility, Contempo focuses on programs that directly respond to real community needs. Our initiatives span education, housing support, and health and wellness. These are the areas we believe we can make a meaningful and lasting impact.
The CSR program allows us to move from intention to action, turning our values into concrete support for the people we serve. To my fellow Cebuanos and Sinulog devotees, let's just continue to hold on to our faith, because that is where we draw our strength as a people. As long as we're together, we're united, and the hope at the end of the tunnel, there's always light. And behind those clouds is rainbow.
Viva Senior Santo Niño!
Viva Pit Senior!